about 6 inches snow with ice on top. Took a minute to get the ruler in. We're having ice right now. No work. Got a house full of people. And this is what we woke up to. I'd say it stopped snowing here last night around 9-10 o'clock. And it started icing sometime early this morning. We're expected to get more snow. It's Rustburg, Virginia. I haven't seen a car all day, but apparently there's been some out here. We need to fix our flag. My daughter's out back making purple snow with food coloring and water. Roommate walked up to 29 and seen maybe 2 big trucks going through, but no cars. That's US 29 south. Northbound, southbound.